Welcome to another edition of IMO Sports with Pedro Justice. Devin Haney says he's dislocated his shoulder. Is that the reason why Devin Haney was unable to close the show? Because Alfredo Santiago did not allow Devin Haney to look spectacular tonight. Now, in the fifth round, however, Devin Haney, the way he was rolling and slipping the punches and connecting, and he put Santiago on the canvas. Now, that was exciting. But after that, a lot of holding, a lot of grabbing, a lot of clinching, and it was not the most exciting fight. And the LA crowd let Devin Haney know, as well as Billy Joe Saunders, that they were not here for that. They're here for Logan Paul and KSI, and they wanted to see some action. They wanted to see some fireworks from the professional boxers, but they did not get to see what they wanted. And that happens sometimes. Now, for Devin Haney, he can't worry about that. He had to make sure that he won the fight, which he basically won every round, and Santiago was just here to survive. Congratulations to Devin Haney on a victory. Hopefully his shoulder will be better. Let me know what you think. Until next time, it's Pedro Justice.